So just grab a pic from here or even here and then download it into here and then watch this magical money rain down on you. Then you need to get somebody to hold your beer because you got some dancing to do because you're excited. Then you're going to put them into here, and here and make more money like this guy. Now your dance moves are better. You just nailed it, baby. What are you going to do? Just drop the mic. Like that. That's a walk-off homer. Where are you walking? To the bank, baby. Oh, that truck. He's got your money, okay? This is going to be some easy money. This is online money maker. Subscribe to the channel. This is crazy, man. Seriously, just come to this website, type in anything you can think of, and just watch thousands upon thousands of beautiful photos appear before your eyes. And you know what? Somebody went to the trouble of taking these beautiful photos, and we're going to turn around and just sell them and make money. I don't feel bad about it, do you? You can also come to Google Images and find cute cat pictures, but these are all copyrighted and you're not supposed to sell them. Rules. Do I look like I play by the rules here? I still know how to sell them. I'm going to show you. You know what the word copyright means to me? Just copy it right. So we're going to take all the pretty pictures we can possibly find and we're going to dump them into 3 different sites, 3 different apps, and we're going to make a bunch of money. The first one here is going to pay you 25 cents for each picture that gets downloaded by a customer until you've made $500. Once you've made $500, they're going to start paying you 33 cents. Once you've made $3,000, they're going to start paying you 36 cents. And once you're up to $10,000, they're going to start paying you 38 cents per picture. Oh, and you can also sell the same picture over and over again. It's not like if it sells once, it's gone. No, if you got a big time seller, you can just sell it till the cows come home. And also with this first site, you can make a little extra money if you want to refer some friends. If you get a friend to sign up, you will get 4 cents of every photo of theirs that gets downloaded for 2 years. And they're gonna pump that money right into your PayPal account twice a month on the 7th and the 15th. And the app is called Shutterstock. It's available for iOS and Android. Before you download the app onto your phone, however, you want to go to their website, which looks like this, and you'll want to get signed up through the website here. Shutterstock is basically a place where creators and advertisers go to find stock photos and stock video. If you watch a lot of YouTube videos, which I'm sure you do, like tutorials like the one I'm doing right now, a lot of the people doing the same type of videos I'm doing, they're getting a lot of that, you know when you watch a video and they got like 10 minutes of bullshit before you get to the actual thing. This is where they're getting the videos from, okay? So to get signed up, you just want to come all the way down to the bottom here, and and you want to click right here where it says sell your content under for contributors. So hit sell your content. They couldn't make that any damn smaller, could they? And then this is where you will get signed up from. It's very easy. And I like how they say sell your content. You can sell your content if you've got some good pictures on your phone, but we're just not going to tell them we're not selling our content. Oh, and the other beautiful thing about this is once we pull a picture off the internet and download it onto this site, we own the copyright on that from that day forth. So we're going to take a picture from the internet, get it into these apps, and then all of a sudden you own that picture. It's crazy. Okay, now I'm going to show you the second website, the second app we're going to use. But first I want to pause and I just want you to consider what we're doing here. You got to think about it like this. I know that like 25 cents or 30 cents per picture does not sound like a lot, but consider the fact that we have an endless supply of professional photos that we can take, and we can upload as many as we want to these sites, and we're going to do it on 3 different sites. So keep that in mind. The next app we're going to work with, check this out right here. Look at this. You get 40 cents anytime somebody even views your pic. If they just click on it, you get 40 cents. They don't have to buy it at all. And here's some of their, quote, top contributors, their top earners. You can see the pics they got. You know, these are like some top sellers. I'm sorry, we're going to blow them out of the water. I mean, these are good photos, but I mean, you know, these guys had to go. I mean, this guy, Butch Reinhardt, had to go hiking out here and take that picture himself when we're just going to sit on our computer and get it, you know? And this one's called Click-a-Snap. Kind of like that name. Click-a-Snap, Click-a-Snap. And sign up is very easy, takes 30 seconds, email, password, username, boom, you're done. And again, don't forget with this one, you are getting 40 cents anytime somebody even takes a look at your pic, and they pay you out whenever you reach 15 bucks. Then you can cash out right into your PayPal account. That's Click a Snap. Okay, I'll tell you what, before we get to the third app, if you hit the like button right now, I'm going to show you how to get a free 20 bucks instantly. You know why? Because I love America. Hit the like button. Okay, before we proceed, if you want a free 20 bucks, go to swagbucks.com and sign up for a free account. They're going to give you a $10 bonus just for signing up, and they're also going to give you another 10 bucks to download the next app I'm going to tell you about. So love me long time and hit me with a like. Boom! Thank you. Okay, I'm going to spare you the mystery here. This one's just called FOAP, F-O-A-P. It's like soap, but with an F.com. And they have a app for Android and iOS, and to make it all better, as if this day wasn't good enough for you, these guys are going to pay you $5 per pick. Check it out. So this site's pretty cool. Not only will they pay you $5 for per pick straight up, but they also have these missions that you can explore, and the missions have huge rewards, like $500 if you win this one. So check this out. So this is a mission for the best photo of something flying, basically. So let's read a little more here what it says. It's a bird, it's a plane. No, it can be anything you want it to be as long as it's a flying object. With summer winds picking up, try capturing some of those beautiful shots of kites, but you can also include hot air balloons, planes, birds, you name it. Well, let's just go over to this site I'm about to tell you about here soon to get some free picks. Look at this right here. Look at this eagle. I'm sorry, that's a $500 winner right there. This is too easy, man. Speaking of flying objects, I got this collection behind me of UFO pics. I collect UFO pics. I've seen 2 UFOs in my life. I'm not kidding you. Crazy. But now we're to the part of the video where I'm going to show you how to get all the free pics in the world that you're going to need to make all this money. We're gonna discuss the first site, which is all copyright free. They're free to take. Then we're gonna hit Google. I'm gonna show you how to get to the copyright free ones there, and then finally I'm gonna show you how to, fool the system a little bit and take some copyrighted ones and make them uncopy. We're gonna copy them right. Okay, Pixabay.com is where you want to go. This is where you're gonna find all the images that you could just take and you can resell them. I mean, it's literally as easy as that. So I know we did cats earlier, let's do dogs now, just show you how this works. So the ones up top here, you're gonna have to have a paid subscription to this site to get those, but anything below that is free. So I mean, look at this guy right here. Look at this guy. I'm sorry, you could sell that all day long over and over again. Look at this little pug. These are crazy, yeah. But just type in anything you want in here, and it'll come up. So, just whatever, like people, you get the gist here, people, whatever. And you got all these different pictures. I mean, the sky's the limit here. Thousands upon that. Ooh, look at this right here. This is that's kind of like a explicit one. And to download a pic is very simple. Just click on it like this, and it will come up here. And I'm sorry if this offends you. That's a nice looking pic. Just hit download right here. Download. I am not a robot, as far as I know. Download. And here it is down here, and I always just drag them off into my desktop right there. Simple as that. Bada bing, bada boom. And for Google, just type in Google Images, and it will take you there. And then what you want to do when you get to images is type in something like cats, and then we want to go, basically all these, we don't know if they're copyrighted or not, so to find out we will go to tools here, and then right here you see user rights, hit that, and then Creative Commons licenses. That will bring up everything that we can use. So all these are copyright free, okay? So next thing I'm going to show you, and you can choose to do this if you want to or not. I'm not telling you to do it, because I'll be honest with you, whoever took these pics, if they're copyrighted, they do deserve to get their credit, their monetization. But I try not to hold anything back from you guys, so I'm just gonna tell you how to do it. So let's just let's take that picture of the ladies behind that I downloaded, and we're gonna put it into an app that you can download onto your phone for free, and it's called InShot. This is what InShot looks like, and basically what I would do is just hit photo here, and then I'll bring up the one of the lady, and then all you got to do is just tweak it a little bit. So if you just even push a quick filter here and just change the color a little bit, that's going to do the trick for you, because these are bots that on these sites that I told you about that are checking for copyright strikes. Okay, so you know where to get all the free pictures from, professional style ones. You know how to sell them. Just get on all 3 of those sites and upload as many as you can and just let it ride, baby. You're gonna make some money. So if you like the video, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and I say we end it. Let's let this little man take us out with some sick dance moves.